Yes.
Yeah, boundary issue has been there for a very long time. In fact, from the beginning of the state, this issue has been there, and many discussions have taken place at different levels. Last year, I was supposed to meet the Assam Chief Minister in the month of March, April, and we had already finalized to meet, but then COVID happened, so we could not meet. And now that the Assam elections are around the corner, so we will not be able to meet before the elections are done. So discussion will only take place next year after the elections are over. I mean not next year, this year after the elections are over. The aspect of the ILP is something that the past governments did not even pass a resolution. We as the MDA have taken that step forward and passed a resolution. It clearly reflects the commitment that this government has. Number two, after that, a number of meetings have been held with the Union Home Minister, and we have worked towards moving and achieving this goal. It's a process that does take time. Many other states have done this, and it took quite some time for them to be able to achieve this. Number three, the different organizations have asked for appointment with the Home Minister. We have passed on the message since the letters have come through the Chief Secretary to us. So therefore, we have as a government send those requests to the Home Ministry, but it will be up to the Honorable Home Minister whether he will meet or not. But my past experience has shown that the Honorable Home Minister is very, very open to meeting people and discussing. So it is a decision that will be taken at his level, but we are hopeful that time will be given to all the different individuals and people who would like to meet him. And next year will be the 50th anniversary of the statehood. And therefore it is important that we celebrate it in a befitting manner. And it is not just the celebration that should take place on that day, but a celebration that it should be there throughout the year and should culminate on the 21st of January 2022. So keeping that in mind, we have decided to put up a committee, a celebration committee, which will be constituted with all different leaders from different political parties, ruling and opposition both, from different stakeholders, including the district councils and different stakeholders and different organizations, at the same time officials, and we will keep ensuring that we make it a very broad-based committee so that we can get good inputs from all sides and the celebration can be a success. So this will be a program, and as I said, we will have different programs like competitions, like activities at the district, block level and at the state level, and it will be an endeavor of this committee to ensure that we give a fitting celebration to this particular year. And at the same time, this committee will also look into different aspects of the future vision of the state. We will work towards kind of laying the seeds or laying the grounds, foundations and sowing the seeds for where we would like to see Meghalaya in the coming 5, 10, 15, 20 years, and maybe the next 50 years also. So all these aspects in a very broad manner will be part of this responsibility in terms of this committee. And as I said, this committee will be very broad-based, where we will carry everybody along and take everybody's views, because this is a celebration of our statehood, and it will only be meaningful if we all celebrate it together.